Welcome to the future, a world where transportation has evolved beyond our wildest dreams, yet at a cost we could never have imagined. In this video, we'll explore the development of our buses, trains, planes, and bikes, the environmental destruction this progress has caused, the challenges we face, and how technology might help us survive the impending crisis. As we look ahead, it's clear that transportation has undergone massive changes. Buses, trains, planes, and bikes are no longer what they used to be. Buses are no longer powered by fossil fuels. Future buses run on clean energy, hydrogen, electricity, or even solar power. They glide through cities autonomously without drivers, picking up passengers through AI-optimized routes to avoid traffic jams. While this sounds like a dream, it raises questions about how much space and resources we dedicate to building vast transportation networks. The rise of high-speed magnetic levitation, or maglev trains, has made long-distance travel faster than ever before. These trains travel at speeds that rival airplanes, zooming across countries in just hours. The efficiency is impressive, but the environmental cost of cutting through forests and wildlife areas has been devastating. By 2050, aviation will have been transformed by the advent of electric and supersonic planes. These planes can fly halfway across the globe in a matter of hours. However, the construction of new runways and airports has resulted in massive deforestation and air pollution due to the demand for faster and more frequent flights. Personal transportation is also being revolutionized. Electric bikes and smart scooters equipped with AI have become the norm in many cities. These bikes come with self-charging capabilities through solar panels, but the increased demand for lithium batteries to power them has sparked a global resource crisis. With these innovations, however, comes a massive environmental cost. As we build faster, smarter, and more efficient transportation systems, we are sacrificing something irreplaceable: our planet. Forests, once the lungs of the Earth, are being cleared to make way for new highways, railway lines, and airports. This rampant deforestation is not only destroying ecosystems but also contributing to climate change, as fewer trees mean less carbon dioxide being absorbed. The destruction of forests is leading to the displacement of countless species of animals. As we expand our transportation networks, we encroach on wildlife habitats, pushing many species to the brink of extinction. While some of our future transportation methods are powered by clean energy, the industrial processes required to build these systems are not. The mining of rare earth metals for batteries, the production of concrete for infrastructure, and the energy used to maintain these systems all contribute to air and water pollution. As we continue to develop these advanced transportation systems, several problems are emerging that threaten both humanity and the planet. The demand for materials like lithium, cobalt, and nickel has skyrocketed due to the need for electric batteries. This has led to unsustainable mining practices, which not only destroy the environment, but also harm local communities where these materials are extracted. Our transportation networks, while technologically advanced, still contribute to climate change through indirect means. For instance, the energy required to produce and maintain electric vehicles comes from power plants, many of which still rely on fossil fuels. Moreover, deforestation exacerbates the problem by reducing the planet's ability to absorb CO2. As cities expand to accommodate new transportation systems, more people move to urban areas, causing overpopulation. This leads to a strain on resources such as water and food, and increases waste production. Despite these challenges, there is hope. Technology offers potential solutions to help us survive in this new world. One of the most promising ways we can combat the environmental destruction caused by transportation is through the use of renewable energy. By harnessing the power of the sun, wind, and water, we can drastically reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. As deforestation increases and farmland becomes scarce, vertical farming could be a solution. By growing crops in vertically stacked layers inside controlled environments, we can reduce the land area needed for agriculture and grow food closer to urban centers, cutting down on transportation emissions. AI will play a crucial role in helping us optimize transportation routes, reducing energy consumption, and minimizing the environmental impact. AI could help create smart cities where everything from traffic lights to waste management systems is designed to operate as efficiently as possible. Technologies like carbon capture and storage can help reduce the amount of CO2 in the atmosphere. Meanwhile, massive reforestation projects could help restore ecosystems that have been destroyed by deforestation. We need to focus on not just stopping environmental destruction, but actively repairing the damage we've done. In the future, we must learn to balance our technological advancements with the preservation of the natural world. Here's what a sustainable future might look like. Cities of the future will integrate nature into urban planning. Instead of clearing forests for transportation infrastructure, we will build around them, incorporating green spaces and wildlife corridors into cities. Rooftop gardens, tree-lined streets, and vertical forests will help absorb CO2 and provide habitats for wildlife. Instead of a throwaway culture, we will adopt a circular economy where everything is reused, recycled, and repurposed. This includes transportation. Batteries, metals, and parts will be recycled rather than discarded, reducing the need for new resource extraction. Rather than relying on personal vehicles, the future will emphasize smart public transportation systems that are energy efficient, widely available, and designed to reduce traffic congestion. AI-powered buses and trains will optimize routes and schedules, ensuring that everyone can get where they need to go without harming the environment. As we move forward into a future filled with technological marvels, we must remember the price we pay for progress. Our transportation systems are transforming at an incredible rate, but so too is the damage we are doing to our planet. The good news is that technology can also be our greatest ally in reversing this damage. It is up to us to make choices that ensure the future of transportation doesn't come at the cost of the Earth's destruction. By embracing sustainable technologies, preserving our natural world, and adapting to the challenges ahead, we can create a future where both humanity and the planet can thrive. The question is, will we choose to make that future a reality?